So I recently just got this this polymer80. All right, open it up real quick. I got it in pink from Durkin Tactical. Costed me about $60. Yeah, it's just a polymer80 frame. It's in pink, so I'm guessing I'll have to either spray paint it or I can dye it a different color. Came with a jig, all the parts of the jig. Let me get those out. So here's everything it came with. We got the lower, which is pretty good, blemished lower. So it's got one marking there. There we go. So it's got a small cut there. Other than that, it's pretty much perfect. It's really not a bad lower. Haven't tested it out yet, but it seems pretty cool. Of course, I got the jig right here, which is pretty good. It has a lot of information on the side and stuff. Got the top for the trigger. Came with the drill bits as well for only $60. The 9mm drill bit with the already marked depth gauge right there, so I can just go in and drill, and I'll have the exact depth. Yeah, I got a couple drill bits with it for the sides and the trigger hole. These right here. This is for the grip, because the hand grip is not threaded, so you have to put your own basically a bolt in there, and it just screws on. Of course, this is the polymer80 g150. So as you can see there, I think there it goes. See, g150. So yeah, seems pretty cool. I'm gonna be building an AR soon. Alright, anyways, that's it. Goodbye.